So, let's talk about this. Samsung's management has apologized for disappointing performance in various divisions. The company promises to innovate again and regain its technological edge. The management vows to improve organizational culture and technological competitiveness. Oof, yeah. I could see why they're apologizing. The Z Fold 6 wasn't much of an upgrade. And their lack of sales probably isn't looking too good right now. So, let's talk about this. First off, apologies do absolutely nothing, Samsung. They really don't. You can apologize all you want. You can say, hey, we're going to do better. We're going to do this, that, and the third better. And we're going to continue to get better as time goes on. But really, all that matters is doing. We want to see you create better products. We want to see actual upgrades to the Z Fold lineup. We want to see all these things actually come out and be true. Sitting there and saying, oh, guys, we're going to be better. We promise. We're going to do better. We're going to fix things. We're going to do this, that, and the third doesn't mean crap. Saying you're going to do stuff and doing stuff are completely different. So, for Samsung's point of view here, and again, it's coming from someone who, I do love the Z Fold 6, but if, you're not really into the foldable phone atmosphere, you're not addicted to technology like myself, you're going to look at the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 6 and go, what the heck? Then you're going to look at the Z Fold 4 and the Z Fold 6 and say, wow, these are very, very similar devices. And yeah, it's a mess. And when you got Google coming out and really, adding a lot to their devices, you got OnePlus who's creating their beautiful devices. It gets to a point where you look at Samsung and you're like, okay, well, this company had their pretty much complete control of the foldable phone market for so long, and they just got complacent. They just accepted that they were the best of the best, and they didn't want to give us anything new. And this is not really new in the tech industry in general. So Samsung apologizing for this is kind of funny, because Apple does this every single year. A lot of companies in the tech atmosphere does this every single year, not innovating and trying just to give pretty much the same exact product copied and pasted with a different bow on the top and sent out to consumers. A bunch of companies do this. It's not just Samsung. It's just funny because Samsung's now the one who is going ahead and, saying, oopsie daisy, we didn't mean to do that. We're going to get better. But in reality, there's so many companies that do this. Complacency in the tech industry is so common. Because again, without really good competitiveness, there's really no reason for these companies to try harder. Because all they really care about is profit margins and their profits, and not really the consumer as much. Now, of course, that's going to change now that there's more competitiveness. This is why I always say, the more competitiveness you have, the more players in the industry, the better product consumer gets. And with Google now there, OnePlus now there, we're seeing Samsung now have to kind of eat all this crap they've been putting out, and they're now going to really drop probably the best foldable device possible with the Z Fold 7. I am very, very excited for the Z Fold 7 at this moment in time. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.